think everything is running perfectly now. Let's test this out. This is like a crazy super macro that does a lot of fun things at once. I'll just show you what it does. Alright, make a comedic eulogy for XCOM enemy unknown. Limit 500 characters. Copies the message I send, real time, sends it to ChatGPT, and then we can see the new response it does this. And bada bing, bada boom. After that, it might be waiting a little bit long. I might shorten that time a bit, because if I keep on limits with like 500, now it clicks to the bottom of the page and scrolls all the way upwards. I have Python code in the background here. That now changes the message, so it only
Certainly,
shows
here's
the
a
latest
comedic
one.
eulogy for XCOM enemy unknown within the 500 character limit.
Oh, and I got the
Today
AI
we
to like
say
write it up.
goodbye to XCOM enemy unknown,
When
the
taught, it's
game
so
that
cool.
taught us that losing is just as
Yo.
much fun as winning.
Oh my
Not
goodness.
really. We'll never forget the soldiers we lost to thin men, the panic attacks we had when we saw a berserker charging at us, or the joy of watching a chrysalid get blown to bits. Rest in peace XCOM, you'll be missed.
Oh, this
Mostly.
is so good. But yeah, and then it resets the thing, so I can just press the macro again and ask another question. Let's see. How is the weather today? Bada bing, bada boom. Copies a new one, resets the entire progress, and new thing. Now we'll scroll down automatically to get to the bottom of the page, and copy the text upwards. You see, like my freaking model freaking out because I have like other things and that
I'm
use the same
sorry,
button.
as an AI language model, I don't have
It's such a
access to
cool project. I'm so
real-time
glad this
weather
is working.
information. Could you please tell me your location, so I can
I'll
look
show
up the
you the
weather
code that I'm
forecast for
using
you?
right here. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. File. How do you zoom in this? View. Zoom. Zoom in. Control. Yeah, here. So this is the code I'm using. This was actually made by ChatGPT itself. And I wouldn't have been able to do this. It pretty much finds my name, gets rid of anything that's above it, and that's cool. And now this is the macro that I'm using. Lost in the sauce. Oh yes. Look at all these different things that has to happen. Just and I could the main timings I change is how long I want to wait for my input text, which is right here, and how long I want to wait for ChatGPT to generate the response. If I do it too soon and the response isn't finished, it'll crash the code. But that's how this is done. Just a macro, and that's and literally just one Python code like that, just running in the background. It's such a good project though. You get look at your own little personal AI. This is gonna be so cool for like me adding it in like streams and stuff. I'm gonna have like a better like this is an evil AI picture from which is fun, but I'm gonna find like a new one and I'll probably make myself. It'll be cool. Well, hope you guys like this one. This is just a short video just showing what I've been working on the past week. Hope you enjoy.